Hello. IMTEX 2023 Metal Cutting Exhibition, which is happening after 4 long years due to pandemic, is the biggest show in the machine tool sector. And here we are with Amitabh Chaturvedi sir from InnovaPoint, director at InnovaPoint. So, hello sir, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also fine sir. So, how is the first day going?
Going really well. We are getting very good responses. A lot of good questions, and I'm seeing a lot of maturity in terms of the questions they are asking. So we're very happy to so far. Very happy.
That's great, sir. So, talking about the machines or the manufacturing industry, Industry 4.0, what are your thoughts about that? Since that is the future of, we can say that is the future of our Indian manufacturing industry. So, what are your visions and thoughts about that?
Okay. Well, first of all, it's not future anymore. I think it is already happening. We are seeing a lot of initiatives, lot of customers are talking about it. The awareness is already there. Government is doing their job. All these other different bodies are doing their job. So it's a real now. It's reality. See what is happening. In my opinion, we are in this business for last 5 years or so. So we are seeing the evolution. And initially, we used to get the questions around productivity or OE monitoring and all that. Now, for last few years, maybe I would say 1.5 years, we have started getting questions on quality monitoring. We started getting questions on traceability is one of the big requirements. And so now the scope for IoT or Industry 4.0 is really increasing, and now everybody is stretching it to an extent to get the benefit out of it. So other thing, since you talked about Indian manufacturing, see, we are trying to become global manufacturing hub as a nation, and if we don't adapt to these new technologies, if we don't improve our productivity, we don't improve our quality, we don't become more competitive at the global stage, then that is not going to happen. So really important for India to go ahead, try these new technologies. Everybody's trying. There are people who are apprehensive about it, but at least we are seeing a lot of people at least trying with few machines. We are getting a lot of inquiries. Can you start on these 5 machines? Let's see how it goes. So it is expanding, and we are very happy about it.
That's really great, sir. Since you have so much of knowledge about the Industry 4.0, and as you have rightly said, it's not the future anymore. It has already started. It has already began in our Indian manufacturing industry. So, would you like to tell us about how InnovaPoint is, promoting or supporting the Industry 4.0?
Sure. So, at sfHawk, which is promoted by InnovaPoint, we are offering, at least at this time, 3 solutions. First solution is productivity improvement solution. The second is quality improvement solution, and third is traceability solution. So these are currently 3 solutions, part of the same package sfHawk, and that's why we believe that we are the most comprehensive IoT or industrial IoT or Industry 4.0 solution at this time, because we have wide offering, very horizontal offering. So we are not only trying to improve the productivity of our clients, or not only that, we are helping them with their export-oriented compliances, because when they are exporting, they have traceability requirements. They have many other they have to share live data. So we're doing a lot of things in terms of making our clients more export-oriented, and of course the quality we talked about. So we are doing it from different angles, basically.
That's really amazing, sir, to see how our Indian manufacturers are working daily, hard work and dedication to make our India Atmanirbhar, in a way we can say, right? Yeah. So it's really great support of you, because you are the backbone of our Indian economy. The Indian manufacturers are really the backbone of our economy.
Absolutely.
So it's really great to see how the manufacturing companies are evolving day by day, not even like bit by bit or month by month, but by day. So it's really great. So since it is just the first day of IMTEX 2023, So, what are your thoughts regarding the whole exhibition?
See, we are participating in IMTEX for the first time, so that's an excitement. The second thing is we are meeting so many leaders, or at least we have started meeting, and we are looking forward to meet more leaders. Just now we had our stall inaugurated by Mr. Indrajit Babu, the CEO of UCAM, and he shared some of his wisdom. Interacting with leaders, interacting with manufacturing leaders, the factory owners, we are really looking forward to hear and understand their thought process, understand what is that, the challenges they are facing, what are their future plans. So one main important objective of participating in MTEX is to learn, and of course, we are looking forward to meet some prospective clients so that we can promote sfHawk there. So yeah, I mean, we are very excited about it.
That's really amazing. So, with the thought and with the vision of always learning something new, always keep upgrading themselves, and always keeping their customers at forefront, sfHawk Innova Point, promoted by Innova Point, is really excited. So, this all the best to you, sir, for
Thank
the
you.
whole exhibition.
Thank
And
you very much. Thank you for having me in your interview, and thank you for visiting sfHawk.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you.